Hey guys, it's Mrs. Millsap here, and I'm going to help you guys get started on your periodic table logic puzzle. So you should have this paper in front of you, and you should fill out the name and then your period. And essentially this puzzle, what this is it's a puzzle where I give you a bunch of elements that are totally random, numbered 1 through 34. These numbers have nothing to do with real elements, okay? Think of them as alien elements or fake elements, okay? So these have nothing to do with the atomic number or any other number on an atom. They're just random numbers, 1 through 34. Each of these pretend elements are going to fit into a group and a period based on the trends that we've been learning about. The metalloids are here and they're shaded in the gray. Hold on, where's my mouse? Here are the metalloids. They're shaded gray. Everything else is a regular element, not a metalloid. We've taken out the D block, okay, so group 3 through 12 isn't here, and then we've also stopped the periodic table at period 5. So there's no period 6 and 7. The first thing we're going to do is read through all the clues and make a list of what elements belong in each group. So we're going to use this table to write down where the elements belong. Then we're going to go through and we're going to figure out what period each element is in, and then we're going to fill it into this box. So let's start by reading our clues. So if I come down here, the first clue says these 5 elements are unreactive gases. Unreactive is my clue. I should know that since it's unreactive, that it's the noble gases. Okay, so these noble gases are, we know from experience, that the noble gases are found in group 18, right? These are my noble gases. So I write down that all of these are going to be found in group 18. So here is my group 18 column right here. So I'm going to write all these numbers in there. 2, 5, 18, 29, and 33. So all of these are going to be in group 18. I don't know what period they're in right now, okay? But it gives me another clue. It says out of all these gases, 29 is the lowest ionization energy. If you remember, ionization energy increases upward and increases to the left. So the lowest one means that it's going to be near the bottom of the group, right? So since 29 is the lowest ionization energy, it's going to be at the very bottom. My last period here is period 5. So 29 has to be in period 5. So I'm going to write 29 here. And right here, I'm going to draw a little line and label that it's in period 5 and cross it out. So you know exactly where 29 goes. So you have 2, 5, 18, and 33 that are supposed to go into these boxes here. We just have to figure out what periods they go in. And let me fill in the blank right here. Whoops. Okay. So period 29 is in period 5. Okay. And then I'm going to start the second problem with you. It says these elements all have 6 valence electrons. 6 valence electrons are elements in group 16. So I know all of these right here are in group 16. So I'm going to take these numbers, okay, and I'm going to draw them in this box. Doesn't matter what order. And then eventually I'm going to figure out what period each element goes in. But right now I don't know what period, so I'm not going to draw them on my big periodic table yet. Okay, I'm just going to list them in the group column. It gives me another clue though. It says element 13 is a metalloid. Okay, if I look on group 16 here, I see that there's only one metalloid in group 16. That's right here. That means 13 has to go right here. So on 13 only, draw a line and write down what period it's in period 5 and then cross it off because you've done 13. So you're going to continue through all of these questions until you find out what group and period they're in. Periodically, you're welcome to ask me to see if your work is correct, but I will not check every answer, okay? I'm only going to help you out a little bit if you have questions. And this is the end of our helpful tutorial video for your logic puzzle. Good luck and have fun.